At ASM AI Fest, ideas didn't just evolve, they took center stage.
Across the campus, artificial intelligence is no longer just a topic of discussion. It is being questioned, explored, and understood with clarity. Confidence is growing, perspectives are shifting, and learning is becoming more intentional.
School. A powerful debate on AI sparked critical thinking about technology, ethics, and the future. Junior college. Young innovators explored AI with bold questions and fearless curiosity. Management college. Future leaders decoded how AI is reshaping digital marketing and modern business growth. Engineering college. Engineering minds pushed boundaries through live demos, prototypes, and AI-powered innovations. One vision, one movement, one ASM AI Fest, shaping tomorrow.